You are literally making a dream come true for me. Because you guys are here and in museum because I take writing as a gift God gave to me. I remember whilst I was writing the book, trying to remember what's called an but it turns out when I was 8 years old, I was in grade 3. Not even knowing what I was doing, but and here we are today. I remember transitioning from music to ballet drama, and then finally knew you're supposed to be a book writer and had a music author and nothing else and validate nalipho uNkulunkulu akanginikeza lona. So I appreciate it more than anything. Incwadi, the first book I wrote ngenxa yokuthi I could see ukuthi as abantu in general, I did say dedicated the book to single women, but as abantu, even men in general, we forget our worth. Sikhohlwa ukuthi yithi lento ephezulu ekhekheni, and we allow people to take advantage of us in relationship, friendships, everywhere. Uthole ukuthi we bend over backwards for abantu abangenandaba nathi. So I wrote this book to help not only people but myself as well to understand my worth. Ngazi futhi ukuthi I'm such a significant human being. And in this one lifetime, I only have this one. I don't deserve to go through life suffering for a man. Nobody deserves that. That we may say has been normalized by abantu abaningi kwabezela ntombazane. Singene kuma-relationship usibone ukuthi inhlobo udakale la. But because we see other happy relationships, sizama ukwenza ngathi nathi we are as happy kulama relationship ethavuzayo. Sibone cha kuyavuza la. But sengihlalela ukuthi I can see other women are happy. Uzothiwani mina mangabe ngikhulu. Should they be lucky to find people who are worth their significance? Kulungile phela. But that doesn't mean I should stay for something that isn't working for me. Ngoba nakho ngifuna ukuthi nami ngibalo 5 years, ngoba bani babalo 5 years or this many years. And also the understanding ukuthi umuntu wesilisa can come into your life aphinda ahambe uphile just fine. Uzazo breathe the oxygen out the carbon dioxide, nothing is going to change. Manje thina singena kuma relationship with abusive partners. Akusaphumeki, not because he is treating me good, but akuphumeki ngoba I have made peace ukuba nje into adlala ngayo. I have made peace with him not even caring about ukungiphatha kahle. Some of us are trauma bonding with our partners. I understand his trauma and he understands my trauma. But are we even working towards healing kuleyo trauma, or are we building something solid? Engathi noma ngifa namhlanje ngithi no man, I was investing isikhathi sami into a relationship that was worth my time. Kwesinye isikhathi singena kuma relationships sizihlukumeze. Uthole ukuthi a person or a man, sometimes even women, is not investing anything in the relationship. This relationship wouldn't be working. A person is not even meeting you halfway. I would much rather move on to a different person than ukuhlala nomuntu that is gonna put me in a position where I have to heal. Things that I talk about in this book was how I started dating very young. I will say that. I started dating when I was 17 and I didn't even know what I was doing at the time. But see, I'm 13 now, I turned 13 in February. as I got older, I realized with people, I was putting myself in so many situations that I now have to work so hard. ukuthi ngihile. Trauma from just a 2-year relationship that I have had to work so hard to heal from. Like there was physical abuse, there was so much abuse, but I had the mentality to and I have to make things work. And I do talk about that relationship on the book and how much of myself I sacrificed for the relationship to work. So like I said, this book is not just for you guys, but it's also for myself, my healing process, and to just learn, and take accountability for my own contribution to my own trauma. Because at the end of the day, I was young when I started dating. I didn't know what I was doing, but I also am the one that made the decision to get into that relationship and every other relationship that ended up leaving scars. But what I love about each and every scar is that today, as a 30-year-old woman, I can say, should I get into a relationship now, I am going to be a better lover. I am going to receive love better, and I'm going to be able to identify this is not love, this is abuse. This is love and it's not abuse. Another thing is that love and abuse are not the same thing. I've been able to stay in relationships. I had a friend, unfortunately we're not friends now. I shy though that I should have time. And another mentality, love and abuse are intertwined. I have grown to learn abuse is abuse, it's not intertwined. Because most of you're not only expecting love from a person, now you are giving love. And because you love that person so much, you are not abusing them. So how come is abuse a love language? Because you can date an abusive person. And yeah, they ask you, because love is my love, because abuse is my love language. And they ask you, because that's my love language. Ukushaya only becomes a love language. Uma ngabe communicator yena yedwa. How fair is that? Because I'm supposed to love you in your love languages, and you're supposed to love me in my love languages. So if as a man you can stand and say, that's your love language. And then I'll ask you to do things that demonstrate love for me. So that's why I wrote this book, guys. I just wanted because I love writing and it's also full of experiences of my life, of me, and I wanted to share it with people. I wanted to share it with you guys.
Engizokusho nje ukuthi guys, let us